The Impact Development Initiative (KDI) has unveiled an Election Judicial Observatory Review Report in its public presentation of the post-2023 general election. This post-resolution monitoring report, tagged "Report of the 2023 Post-Election Petition Through Gender Lens." KDI gave an extensive breakdown on the report of the observers sent to the 36 states of the country to enlighten the public. Findings recorded from pre- to post-elections, particularly observation from the court proceedings. During the panel session of the event, Honorable Justice Peter Olabisi, representative of the President Court of Appeal, and others contributed on the topic whether or not validation of an election comes from the polling unit or the courtroom.
And the dockets of these tribunals are usually congested, and they were expected to determine petitions within the statutory period of 180 days. And there were 1,209 election petitions filed all over the Federation, which emanated from the conduct of the general election of 2023. 5 petitions were filed from presidential election and 83 petitions from the governorship elections, 147 petitions from senatorial elections, and 417 petitions from the House of Representative elections. We also have 557 petitions from the Houses of Assembly elections. During the exercise, my Lord, the Honorable President, set up 98 panels of judges, chairpersons, and members who were a panel to cover 36 states of the Federation and the Federal Capital Territory. Additional panels were constituted in some states due to large numbers of petitions, and the panel judicially had and determined 697 appeals, broken down as follows: 51 governorship election appeals, 99 senatorial election appeals, 245 House of Representative election appeals, and 302 state houses of assembly election appeal. All these ones were heard by Court of Appeal in its appellate jurisdiction over election appeals from election petition tribunals.
These are a set of processes and mechanisms designed to ensure peaceful and orderly recruitment of leaders. Although inherently peaceful processes, disputes can and often arise either in the conduct or from contests between opposing parties, candidates, or interests. In such contexts, the resolution of electoral disputes becomes a key part of the broader conflict resolution framework of societies. Such efforts are not only grounded in social norms and practices, they save time, cost, as well as have the capacity to enhance bonds between disputants much more than adversarial efforts that go through formal legal processes. For the Independent National Electoral Commission, the role of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms have long been recognized as integral parts of the Commission's dispute resolution process.
It is key to preserving citizens' faith in the process and in the legal and institutional arrangements that underpin Nigeria's election. The work of KDI, IFES, and other partners on this project sheds light on the aspect of our electoral and democratic system and ensures that relevant stakeholders and Nigerians in general have a better understanding of the process and the implications of the adjudication process.
The convener, Executive Director of KDI, Bukola Idowu, during an interview with press, pointed out avoidable distractions that has plagued our electioneering process, causing people to lose confidence in the process.
The whole process in the court that spanned like 1 year from the tribunal to the Supreme Court, you hardly have only just few people, less than like about 12% people actually won their case. So which means it also shows that, look, the whole process of court is a difficult process to prove your case and win at the court, because the whole process is cumbersome. And as you can see, and most especially the people that actually skate through are the executive. Of course, where you see people winning just at the legislative seat. Another thing we've seen is that the whole process was also full of technicalities than the substance of the matter. So one of the things we want to see is that justice is thoroughly done, not on the basis of technicality, on the basis of the substance of the matter. So what we are saying is that even the women that lost, that they knew they were cheated, could not approach the court because they did not have the resources. So they feel cheated. The whole process and that is one of the things we are also emphasizing in the report. The whole process of court, for 1 year, what it means to keep a lawyer, senior advocate for 1 year is a whole lot.